Hey, it's Leah with your latest tech update. I hate to say it, but cybercriminals are smart people. With the latest phishing scam, they're using a psychological trick to force you and your team into making a mistake. Imagine getting an email that warns of a suspicious attempted login to one of your accounts. It asks you to click a link and verify your login details. You click, and a 1-hour countdown timer appears. It says if you don't act by the deadline, your account will be deleted. At this point, lots of people would feel stressed and instantly do what's been asked. The reality is, if you miss the deadline, nothing will happen. This is a phishing scam. They want you to enter your real login details on a fake login page. That's how they steal your password. By adding the timer, the criminals create urgency and demand immediate attention. If you face anything like this, stop and think. Would a real service provider really apply that kind of pressure and penalty? Share this video with your whole team right now. And if anyone ever clicks a link they're not sure about, ask us how to keep your business safe. That's your tech update. More next week.